Hey everybody, it's Diane again, and today I wanted to show you my February BoxyCharm, which is the final BoxyCharm in the 12-month subscription that I did. I did not renew. I switched to Ipsy. So yeah, there's that. I just thought, I do love BoxyCharm. I feel like you get a really good value. I typically like at least 3 of the products in every box. Did a 6-month review of my first 6 months. I'm also going to do a final 6 months review that will include this. But I do feel like overall BoxyCharm is a really great value. I just don't feel like I need that many full-time products constantly sent to me, especially since for a while they were sending palette after palette after palette, and I really just felt like I have enough eyeshadow palettes, plus I want to kind of pick out my own eyeshadow palettes. Some of them were fun. I did give, I think, at least 1 or 2 of them. I want to show you what I got in my last BoxyCharm of the year. I did not renew. Again, like I said, I think it's about $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. Usually you get 5. Typically, on occasion, it's only 4. I think I only had maybe 1 month where I would have considered it like 4. And then, you know, you get a little break if you pay for a year in advance. It actually came pretty early this month in February. I've been kind of saving this because I was waiting for some other things so I could just do a lot of videos at once for you guys. So hopefully you like this. February's is called Afterglow, is their theme. Actually, I should be just keeping stuff further back here because now with the new camera, see, it's like super fuzzy, pretty easy to read. So we're going to keep stuff back here. Obviously, I've looked at this already. It tells you the products you're going to get on the back. The nice thing is it also tells you the price point of those items. And they do have a lot of variants. Some stuff everybody will get. 2 things for sure in here I'll show you guys everybody got. We'll start with those who signed up for BoxyCharm for this month. And other things were variants on things you could get. So one of them is by Touch in Soul, and I'm really excited about this because I saw this in a Jeffree Star video like ages ago. And I think Tati Westbrook and a few other big people. And I really wanted to try it, but I just never have. It's kind of expensive. I think it's Korean. I don't know. But Touch in Soul, it's the No Problem Primer. If you can kind of see that. I want to smell it. I have not tried it yet. I am exceedingly excited to try it. Doesn't really smell like anything. Kind of smells like silicone. Has a little pink hue to it. I am not going to test it out here. I want to save it and use it and enjoy it and love it. And yeah, I am pretty excited. So that's the first item, and everyone seemed to get this one in the box. The other thing everyone got was the Too Faced Better Than Sex Traditional Mascara. I know there's a blue packaged one that is waterproof. This one is not. And it has a really interesting doe foot applicator, if you see that. It kind of like goes in and out. But it has, you know, just regular bristles. I know people rave about this. It's a very expensive mascara. I should mention, losing my mind already. It's only Monday. The No Problem Primer by Touch in Soul retails for $18. Very exciting. The Better Than Sex Too Faced Mascara retails for $24. I think that's really pricey. Alright, and then I have 3 more items. So this was a variant, so you either got a highlight or a bronzer from Pretty Vulgar. And I did get a blush from them before. So this is the Shimmering Swan Highlighter, and it retails for $32 in the most beautiful packaging. Let me grab the other thing. Where is it? So now I've got my blush and my highlighter. And again, this one is in Shimmering Swan. It looks really pretty. I feel like this would be a really nice color. Smells fine. Oh yeah. It's like a champagne, like a pink champagne or whatever. Can you even see it? See that? Beautiful. So I'm really excited to try that out. I do like the blush that I got. And I also got the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Throwback Jam. I do have I think I have one mini. I've gone through a mini, not of this particular color, but of this style, and I'll take it out in a second. This retails for $21, and I do have a beautiful large brown in this. I really enjoy this. This is like a hot purple lipstick. Oh yeah, I love this formula. You see? Very beautiful, kind of magenta-y. Excited. And then the last one, which I didn't really see many other people get, but I always love face masks. This is the Tula Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask. You get 2. The retail price is $24. I don't know if that's for 1 or 2 masks. My guess is for the price of both. I kind of like these little packages they come in. It says Tula Probiotic Skincare, which I've never heard of this brand. Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask. Exclusive for BoxyCharm. So I'm sure that they do. Oh shit. Okay, this must be for all of them because you get 4 sheet masks. What? Didn't even look that hard. What? 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 What the fudge? 4 freaking sheet masks, dude. I thought it was 2. It's 4. The thing says 2, but I guess each 2-pack is 24, and we got 2 2-packs. What the fizz? Wow. I like the hollow. Hello. That is really exciting. I don't know that I need this fancy. Maybe I can use it for some. I don't think I need these frames. I'm going to save those. I'm going to save these weird little things. I don't know what for now until I decide I'm crazy and don't need them. But that is really exciting. 4 freaking sheet masks. Sheet mask party. Who's coming over and doing a sheet mask? If you're wondering, I'm wearing my Camp Crystal Lake shirt. I'm going to expose myself just so you can see a little bit. Well, not exposing to you, more to me and the floor, but there you go. I think this was a great box. I mean, you got that's all full size. A lipstick, a mascara, a highlighter, sheet masks, and a nice primer, and I am living for it. So this is probably one of my favorite boxes that we have gotten. I'm actually kind of digging the no palette box. I'm feeling the vibe. I feel like this is a really great deal for your money, especially with the Smashbox lipstick. Now, I'm glad I didn't get the bronzer. I don't always wear a bronzer. So for me, that's not super exciting, but this was exciting. I also don't mind a fun lip color, so I'm excited to use that. Yes, overall, I am pleasantly surprised. So as I use these things up, and usually kind of more in my empties videos, like use these things up, I will share with you how I feel. Of course, the sheet mask I'll go through pretty quickly. It's coming up to the end of the month, so there'll be another empties video soon. Feel like I have a really nice load of products to share with you. Maybe not as much as last time, but we shall see. I can't remember. Let me know what you got in BoxyCharm. If you thought that this was worth it. I think eventually one day I might pick it up again. I'm not super interested in BoxyLuxe, the really big boxes that they have. I just don't feel like there's enough in there that I would actually be like super jammed about. And I do think the value is definitely there for this and for the big BoxyLuxe, but I just think like usually about half the stuff in the BoxyLuxe I'm like, I don't really need that and or want that, or I would have picked something different. So in that case, I just don't want it. It just doesn't seem worth the money for me, but it could be to you, and that's all right. And look forward eventually to my last half of the year, 6-month wrap up for BoxyCharm, what I thought about it. I'll let you guys know. And yeah, have a great day. Subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. It is your life and you live it. But let's try not to be rude to each other. I mean, you can leave a comment and have helpful hints or suggestions or constructive criticism, but when you just want to be straight out mean, that is not cool, bro. I am not that way to anyone, and I would expect for you not to be too. All right.